If you Google day trading now, you search on YouTube for day trading content, you're gonna find plenty of ads or videos or articles showing you how easy it is to make so much money from day trading. The reality is different though. Is it that easy to make money day trading? Well, I think it's tough, but you get to see firsthand from a full-time scalper why day trading is really hard and why it's one of the hardest ways to make money. And it's not to just bring you down on anything, it's because it's important stuff and that you need to be able to take care of things that are hard to be able to succeed. So I asked Jean-Francois, the full-time scalper on our team, to share his view on day trading and really share tips on how you can overcome the big challenges that come with day trading, things that most people don't think about. And I hope you like it. If you did, make sure you give a like to that video today, and we'll dive right into it.
Why it's so hard to succeed as a day trader. People think that day trading is hard because the charts are complex. That's not why. Day trading is hard because it turns you into the variable and then puts that variable under pressure every single day. There's 15 bullet points that I want to bring to your attention in order to highlight what makes trading so difficult. Maybe we can also complement this with a couple of PDF files to download at the end for your benefit. All right, so bullet number 1, the outside noise. Day traders don't just trade price. Right? We trade opinions. Every scroll tells you that you're either early or you're late or you're wrong or you're missing out, even when you know better. Exposure creates doubt, and doubt is expensive. Noise doesn't change the market. It changes your behavior. Right? Bullet number 2, performance pressure. Most jobs pay you for your effort. Trading pays you for the outcome. You can do everything right and still lose. That will mess with your brain. There's no boss, there's no team, there's no excuses. It's just results, 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 results. Bullet number 3, emotional whiplash. Few professions compress emotions like day trading does. Confidence, fear, frustration, euphoria, regret, sometimes all before lunchtime. And the market has a way of finding your unresolved issues, patterns, and poke at them daily. Bullet number 4, loneliness. Most people around you will never know what it feels like to click buy or sell with real money on the line. So traders carry stress very quietly, and quiet stress compounds. It's to your benefit and to the benefit of your longevity for you to speak openly about your losses and your drawdown. Bullet number 5, right? No clear feedback. Unlike most skills where practice equals progress, in trading, randomness blurs the feedback loop. You can break the rules and still win. You can follow the rules and lose. That ambiguity is what erodes confidence slowly. Bullet number 6, capital is emotional fuel. Money is not neutral. It represents time, security, freedom, identity, and so your losses will feel very personal, and your wins can even feel validating. That emotional charge clouds your judgment. Even the professionals will respect that. Bullet number 7, the illusion of freedom. Trading is sold as freedom, but the truth is, you earn freedom after discipline, not before. Bullet number 8, the market reveals the true you. Impatience gets punished, ego gets punished, fear gets punished. The market doesn't judge you, it reflects you. And most traders don't fail from a lack of intelligence. They fail from a lack of self-mastery. Bullet number 9, the emotional stages of a trader's career path. Right? First, you start with the honeymoon, and then there's a reality punch. There's the competence trap. That's where most people quit trading. And then there's detachment, emotional detachment. And there's finally that professional calmness that you're seeking. And you can't skip any of those stages. For most people, those stages can be combined. So you experience a couple of them at once. The best you can do is survive the stages. Don't try and skip them. right? So you can only survive the honeymoon, the reality punch, the competence trap, finally the detachment, and ultimately the professional calmness. When you get to bullet number 10, you're then dealing with emotional regulation. That's where your real edge comes from. The top traders don't eliminate emotion, they shorten the reaction time to the reaction window. We notice the emotion, but we act before it becomes a behavior. Number 11 would be redefining what a good day is. For a lot of people, a green day after breaking rules, for them, it's still a green day. In the mind of a professional trader, a green day with broken rules is a failure. A red day where you followed your discipline, but you lost money in the end is still a successful day. And a flat day where you took no trades because of your own patience, that's professionalism. Right? So the shift in mindset is what changes everything. Bullet number 12 would be the identity trap, where trading is used to prove your worth, your intelligence, or you're using it to escape something or other. The market will sense that. And detached traders will last a lot longer. Grounded traders will size appropriately and also last a lot longer. Bullet number 13 would be a quiet skill. Right? The most underrated skill in trading is doing nothing, and doing it well. Right? So you know why you're not trading, and there's an ultimate reason why you're not trading. It's not fear. Right? Maybe not trading is the best decision that day. It could be health. No, it could be lack of setups. It could be a multitude of reasons, as long as you're in agreement with it, right? And you're not trying to cut corners. Bullet number 14 for a lot of traders is a lack of a routine, or at least a lack of a low stress routine. Right? So most professionals protect their clarity first. We're looking for one setup, one defined risk, one hard stop. In my case, I call it an ejection seat. And then we also have a tendency to review our work, either at the end of the day or the end of the week. Typically, it would be the end of the trading session. A very brief debriefing session. After you've done this for a little bit, you'll come to realize that consistency comes from subtraction, removing things from the process. Stuff that doesn't really impact the outcome, but interferes with your progress, right? Make your process simpler, not more complicated. And lastly, the 15th bullet would be drawdowns and the confidence to rebuild from drawdowns. That's very, very difficult for most newcomers. The average Joe needs to understand drawdown is not failure. It's information. What you do with that information drives towards your longevity. Confidence will return through safety, not bravado. And so once you get thrown off the horse, you don't go reinventing the process. You go back onto the horse and you continue to do what you know is valuable and it works. And so you're not revengeful. That's the part that evades a lot of folks, right? A lot of folks will throw away a good system, a good strategy, just because of one or two losses in a row. There's no sense in doing that. Final thoughts in closing. Day trading doesn't have to be complicated if you understand freedom does not come first. There's discipline that comes first, right? So focus on your own discipline. Focus on the demand of that discipline. Day trading does not give freedom first. It demands discipline first. It doesn't reward effort. It rewards alignment. The traders that last are not fearless. They're honest with themselves. They're patient. And more than likely, they're boring. trading is not sexy. Good trading is boring. And that's what nobody will tell you. All right. So I hope this was useful. In order to help you move forward with your trading endeavors, I'm including 4 attachments. One is a personal 1-page trading code. One is a low-stress daily trading routine. One is a drawdown and confidence building playbook. And the last attachment is a daily trader self-check, a checklist sort of attachment. Okay, so hope this was useful. Go through the attachments and see if this will help you move forward.
There's plenty of good advice in this, I'm sure. It's a perspective that you might not like to hear about much, but it's something that you got to learn and you got to understand to become a good day trader or even a good trader overall. If you agree, comment below. If you don't agree, also comment below. Tell us why. We want to hear your thoughts, of course. Your experience may differ from us, and that's the cool part about trading is we all have different experiences and different views on things. If you want to learn more about Jean-Francois and scalping, check out this video here on the screen or check out this playlist right here, and we'll catch you back there right now. Ciao.